This is not a good morning for Brad or Angela. Brad's car won't start. Angela's car Bessie is spurting black smoke from her exhaust pipe. No time to panic. Brad calls a tow truck to bring his car to Sunbiz Auto Tech. A friend is on his way to pick him up. Angela will drive Bessie to Sunbiz Auto Tech located 2099 State Road 7 in Margate. On the corner of State Road 7 and Copans Road. Eric the owner will set Angela with a loaner for the day.
In today's hectic world, you're always on the move. You have places to go, people to see, and things to do. Who has time for car problem? Haggling on car repair prices.
Some of the services we offer are tire and brake repair, oil and engine repair, towing services, transmission repair, air condition services and collision repair. Call us at 954-532-2020. Our promises are that we will take care of your car as if it was ours. We have expert technicians, convenient hours, and competitive pricing.
Angela is super happy that Bessie is back to her own self. What a relief that I called Eric at Sunbiz Auto Tech at 954-532-2020.
Brad is very happy to have his car back and ready to go out on a dinner date. I am glad I called Eric at 954-532-2020.